Well, you know, the staff shortage then. My husband was a prisoner of war, eventually he was in Malmesbury. And Captain Graham and Major Isaacs, they were friends of my family, my uncle and aunt. And I suppose they were talking about that we have no help at all and we could do with people. So he said, look, I've got a young Italian, he had his tonsils out in Cirencester. We could send him to you to help out a little bit in the house, doing for the time being. So Ciro came and the first saw him in an onion field. He was born in the middle of Naples in a flat. I don't think he knew one letter about the portrait, but and he spoke good English, and Captain Graham, which knew, he said, I'm going to send Ciro to Cambridge to take the proficiency certificate, the low and the higher one. So we had lots in common because I gave him my English books from the, we had to do Shakespeare and all these things, and I had the books, and so we started getting friendly. Then my uncle wasn't very pleased to be mixed up with an Italian because although we were both enemy aliens, so we had lots in common. So then Ciro, he was there midday in 1945. He was still with us, and we celebrated, we were pleased. And he was repatriated in 1946 back home.